Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unlock a file you've been sent via email, or if you've received it from a USB drive or an unknown source, or you've got it on the Office 365 platform, and when you try to open it, it doesn't open or it freezes your machine. So this will work with all Microsoft files, so Excel, Project, Word, Publisher, etc. So this is one of our documents we got. Now this one will open. So if I just double click on it, you'll see it's open. We'd have to enable editing, and that's fine. So if I close that, the reason sometimes they don't open or they open in that mode is if you right click with your right mouse button, or from the drop down, select properties and just a normal left click. And then this is where you see the issue. This file came from another computer and might be blocked to help protect this computer. Now to get rid of this block, we literally just click unblock and apply. We click OK. Now when we try and open the file, you'll see we don't get no warning now. We haven't got enable editing. And the reason this has been enabled is because Microsoft want to block files that have been sent you via email just in case they've got malicious code in, or they try and run something, or they try and run a script. You can disable this in Trust Center, but I wouldn't recommend it. So I'm not going to show you how to, because obviously this is done for a reason. And once you've unblocked the file, it stays unlocked. If you send that file via email to somebody else, they'll have this same problem. It's perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with the computer, but that's how you resolve it. So I hope you liked the vid. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.